SAS Enterprise Guide project, which is called EGP file, from version 8 to version 7. So suppose that we have in this, I have an example of this EGP file is in version 8. So it is created by the SAS Enterprise Guide version 8. So I try to open it using Enterprise Guide 7.1. And it says that you cannot open it because SAS EG does not. So SAS EG, if you are using an earlier version, it cannot open a later version, an EGP file created by a later version of Enterprise Guide. So I have to convert that version 8 EGP file into a version 7 EGP file, and unfortunately the SAS does not provide such conversion tools. So this project is to make one to enable such conversion. So currently I'm going to put the program is in JavaScript. It is going to use Node.js plus some packages. So I put the main program under the local backend app, and currently I have this as the version 29. So this is the main program, and all the modules were the macros functions are included in this single file, and I put it there so that later I can have a kind of React structure, so that I can put it into the places like Netlify to make it available online. But right now I'm gonna just use the local settings to run the node.js at local to run it. So in this program I have specified that I'm gonna read the file which is here. It is a file called the data in example a v8, which is exactly this file. And I'm gonna run this program, and the target file will be saved in a folder in data inside I'm gonna put it in the out folder, and in this do not get folder. So I'm gonna delete this. These are created by the previous running of this project. I'm just gonna delete this. So the reason I put it in this do not get is because later I'm gonna run the real EGP file, and some of them are confidential. I don't want to publish it on GitHub. But for now it is okay, because the source file that I'm going to use is actually a sample file. It is not a real project. Alright, so I'm going to put these folders side by side. So this window indicates the source file, which is called sample a v8, and then this is the VS code that I'm going to run this Node.js of this main program, and later the file will be saved here. So I mean the converted v7 version 7 EGP file will be here. Alright, so I'm going to run this node and this main project. And the file is converted, and now I have this converted EGP file in version 7, and also I have the project XML files. One is from the original v8 and the other is converted. So anyway, so let's open this converted EGP file. And you can see that it is all there. So basically that's how it works. Alright, so the whole project is under this PHP web. It is called SAS EGP v8 to v7. It is also available in GitHub. It is a public repository. And in this source folder, there is a tree data in which there is a D3 tree map to illustrate how this project, how the programs runs. Well, that D3 tree JSON file is copied from this folder, which is this lit D3 Python folder. So this one is the most updated, and it is copied here, and I put a date stamp there. So this D3 tree map is like such. So I can expand so that it's going to illustrate how the programs run. All right. So in the following videos, I'm going to recap how I made how these programs run